Hello, and let us make our first Google Ads campaign and have a quick walkthrough on how to set up Google Ads accounts for your business. Right, so you would come to this website, ads.google.com. Then you're gonna sign in, and then you won't have this obviously, but since I run a managed account, I have plenty of these. So let's create a new account. So initially, you're gonna be asked to uh, add your business name, business information, create ads, and set your budget. So you're gonna create account first, right? So now my business name is I already have. We're gonna use my website. At the same time, my IP has been blocked because I was working with the website before. So yeah, my phone number. No, I should start the website. Okay. Click next. So it's going to my website, find out what I'm doing. Uh-huh. No. Ooh, my YouTube channel, my merchant account, my business profile. This is all good. But since this is a tutorial, it's assumed that you don't have all this available. So let's just skip this for now. This is my Google Analytics account where I set up Google Analytics and follow and get in touch with my metrics in terms of visits, clicks, conversions. We're gonna skip all that. What is my advertising objective? For my business, I want to generate leads. If you have an e-commerce store, this will be your objective. If you just want people to visit your website, that'll be to get more people to your website. This will be your objective. If you have an app, obviously here, and if you have something new, awareness and consideration will be here. So let's just go back to what I want for my business. I want leads. So what type of leads do I want? I want leads to fill a form. This option is here, page views, contacts. Now. Let's go to the form. Alright, so I'm a digital marketing agency, so I'll be looking for digital marketing, Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, SEO. That's good enough. English. My location would be Kenya. That's fine. English. That's fine. Yeah, this is also fine. Select page. Profile ID is fine. This is also fine. Instagram is fine. So here we have the option of letting Google create our ads. let's give it a moment or two. Okay, this is fine. It's fine. That's my business. That's fine. Here, just write. So I'll have to go with the initials. Yeah, that's fine. Longer headlines. That is beautiful. That is okay. Images. No. I'll also add images later, and I'll also add logos. I have so many videos. This will be added later. Next. It's told me to pick one of that, and where am I gonna get a logo? Let's hope Facebook has one for me. Yeah, nothing. Oh, nothing on the side. Okay. So let's go to Facebook and see if I can get a quick logo. There you go. Well, that should be fine, I guess. Let me see. Any problems? Oh, don't focus on obviously versions. What's my budget for the day? How much do I want to spend? I want to spend $5. Yeah, that's fine. Well, this is all our test campaign, so yeah, this is enough. I don't know. So right now that we have the payment sorted, we want to track conversions. So we're gonna use my site runs on WordPress. That's my CMS. So we go there. So it says you copy this. Then you go to Sidekit. So this is my dashboard. Okay, go to the dashboard first. Then we go to Sidekit. Then settings, I'm assuming. Then we look for connected more services. Connect more services, okay. Set up as I'm assuming. So so you can use that. Mhm. Complete. All right, so let us test the connection. And there we have our first, that is the walkthrough of setting up. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to campaigns, and stop this because it was poorly done. I used it to get around. So this is our Google Ads dashboard. So nothing is running, 0 clicks, impression, nothing has been spent. Campaign. The next video we will talk about how to create a search campaign. And with that, I will say goodbye and until next time.